Yes,
Now
sir.
you must, all the details we have already discussed.
Yes.
Okay. Let me say some of the things. She is easily gelling with others. She moves easily. சொன்னீங்க D9 போட்டிருக்கீங்க.
She's friendly, sir.
Yeah. The reason is Mars and Venus. Mars is 17 degree, Venus 17 degree. They easily gel with others.
Okay.
They have some attraction.
Okay.
She will be moving with others. More than that, others will be easily move with this girl.
I see.
Next one is Jupiter Dasa Rahu Bhukti. The period is from 7/5/2020 itself. 2020 May onwards, so it will be there till this year 2022 October 1st. This is the best period in her life. The reason is Mahara Rahu, Jupiter is in exaltation. So Jupiter Rahu, they tend to give all good benefits.
Acha.
Yeah, this period only many good things happen to her. Okay.
Okay.
You said that she was in love with a boy. She was in relationship. The period must be 2014 August to 2017 April. You can very well send this recording to her, video
Okay.
to her. Yeah. The period, as per the chart, the period shows as 2014 August to 2017 April.
Okay.
Okay. She would have moved with the boy earlier also, but this period only the bond would have come very closer. 14 August to 17 April. Okay.
Okay.
The reason for delay in marriage, her expectation is very higher. Extreme expectation. One, very skeptical about the boy. The reason is 7th Lord is in 11th house. When 7th Lord is in 11th house, or when 11th Lord is in 7th house, that gives extreme expectation from the spouse.
Oh.
Already we have discussed this many times. Even last time also, when I was talking to JK sir, I explained a few charts of this, and immediately he released the video, and particularly he mentioned that this particular point. When 7th Lord is in 11th house, or when 11th Lord is in 7th house, that gives extreme expectation. Here, 7th Lord is in exaltation, it is in 7th house, it is in lowest degree, 1 degree.
Yeah.
Her expectation is extreme. She is very skeptical about the boy. That is also one reason. And her possessiveness would have been more. That is the reason the boy left her.
Okay.
Okay. Craving for affection will be there. The reason many times we have discussed, I will talk about this in next 1 or 2 sentences. Beyond everything, her fatherly affection is more extreme. If you ask her, she will say, my father is my hero.
Okay.
2-3 reasons. Saturn and Sun, they are in star lord. Saturn is in Sun's lord, Sun star. Sun is in Saturn star.
Correct. Okay.
Star lord interchange. Okay. Through star they get interchanged. Second thing, Ketu is heading towards Sun, very, 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 very close. Sun is in 12 degree, Ketu is in 13 degree. In any female chart, when you see Sun and Ketu, you can very well ask them about their fatherly affection. They will say, my father is my hero. That's one word they will say. Here, she has also lost her father at the age of 7.
Yeah.
From that day onwards, she is very much craving for fatherly affection. And her expectation about the boy, that is also one, this is the yardstick. If the boy, if he takes care of her like a father, definitely she will surrender.
Okay.
The next point is Moon plus Mars.
Moon plus
is-
Mars. Huh?
Mars, they are Samasabdama, almost degree is also close. This we have elaborately discussed. Moon plus
Yes.
Mars. Sudden death. Sudden death. See how many sudden deaths she has mentioned. You see, this again and again we have discussed about this point. Sudden unnatural deaths in the family. She has mentioned 3 deaths nearly. When I lost my father, all of a sudden in the year 1997, all of a sudden she has mentioned. When my Masi suddenly passed away in 2017 December. Okay. And another one also she has mentioned. When I lost my grandmother, all of a sudden, see, all of a sudden, this sudden death because of Moon plus Mars. Once again, you see our recording, earlier classes, we had discussed about this many times.
Yes, yes.
Okay. That will, again, on and off, again and again, that will happen. With a time gap periodically, that will happen. Even at the time of her birth also, when she was, when her mother conceived her. Okay. In pregnancy itself, something would have happened like that. Some unnatural death would have happened. That is the reason it is reflecting in her chart. This will keep on repeating.
So what is the remedy, sir, for it?
Remedy, feeding the cows.
Feeding the cows.
Yeah, feeding cows. She can very well do that.
Sir,
I
feeding the
normally
cow,
recommend only one remedy, that is feeding the cows.
sir, feeding
is
the cow
feed-
as a remedy for what and all, sir? In this particular case, it is because of Moon and Mars, sir.
Moon and Mars. Any sudden unnatural death.
Okay.
For that, I normally recommend only feeding the cows. And Annadana.
And
Annadana. Annadana.
Annadana. Okay.
In any temple or poor people, she can very well feed. That is the these things only I normally recommend.
Sir, Annadana in temple only?
Temple, even in ashram also.
Okay. Old age home.
Yeah, old age home. Only thing, the need, they should be in need of that. She has to feed only the needy. Okay.
Okay.
Those who are in need of food only she has to feed. Likewise, cow, feeding cow also. There are many cattle scattering on the road.
Yeah.
Those cows only she has to feed. Not in temple, or because temple cows and all in exact time they will be fed. No need to worry about that. There are many cows wandering on the street, expecting even plastic paper also. They don't leave even plastic paper for food. So for those cows, she can very well feed. That will reduce this malefic effect.
Okay.
She should keep on doing this. After some time, this will slowly vanish. Till such time, on and off, every periodically this will happen. Some sudden unnatural deaths will be there. See, in any family it is very common, but the thing is, getting old and dying is different. Unnatural death is different. And when she failed in semester, that particular point she has mentioned in 2003, she
Hmm.
failed in semester. That is because of from 2000 April 2000 itself, the period was not good. April 2000, from that period to 2003 April, 2000 April to 2003 April, the period is not good. She didn't have any interest in studies. That is one main reason. You will be sending this video to her. Definitely she will say yes. No interest in studies. Concentration was fully diverted towards the entertainment.
Acha.
Entertainment, some cultural activities or some other activities. Since it was very, very early age, I didn't say anything. Had she been in 16, 17 years, the reason will be like love relationship. Since she was too young, I didn't say love relationship. Instead, I can say entertainment, cultural activities.
Okay.
Okay, she would spend more time in entertainment, watching TV or watching any some other program. Her education was completely spoiled. That is the reason. Basically, she is very intelligent, but this is the problem.
Okay.
Sir, one doubt, sir. When in the previous point you said the remedy, sudden unnatural death for that feeding cow and this Annadana. Sir, this has to be even in any chart when this moon Mars in Samasaptam.
Yes, definitely. Sure.
Throughout life, this has to be done, is it?
Yeah, that will be good. It will not be carried over.
Okay, so the moment we see such a horoscope, we can recommend them to do this so that any unnatural death
Definitely, first thing you ask them about the unnatural sudden death.
Okay.
Okay, one. If they say that no such sudden unnatural death, then you inquire about the lung infection.
Okay.
Okay, that also we have discussed.
Yes.
Okay.
That here I have not mentioned about any lung infection. The reason is Mars is in Aries. Moon is
Okay.
in Tulam. It is not water sign. So I didn't mention.
Okay. So, okay, sir. Okay, so I say it's like a warning that we can ask them or we can want them to take care of this offering, like Annadana and this one, right? The moment we see
Yes.
Okay, good, sir.
That will reduce the
Ill
ill effect of the planet.
Okay, sir.
Slowly the incidents will that will be delayed.
Sir, any day for such a thing to do this offering or
Monday, Tuesday.
Monday, Tuesday. Okay.
Because it is Moon and Mars only, so Monday and Tuesday.
Okay.
And Annadana also she can do. And
Fine.
particularly if Monday is on Rahu Nakshatra.
Okay.
Yeah, that will be even more better.
Why Rahu Nakshatra, sir?
She is Swati.
Okay. Because of got it. Yeah.
For this chart, I'm saying.
Because of what, sir? I didn't get it.
She is Swati Nakshatra.
She's Rahu Nakshatra, that's why.
Yes.
Oh, okay.
So any Rahu Nakshatra, if it falls on Monday or Tuesday, that day definitely the Parihara effect will be even more stronger.
Okay.
Okay. Lover parted away in 2021. See, 5th house Rahu is there. That will give the love relationship and other things. Transit Saturn is also in 5th house now in Magaram. Either she must have faced hectic problem in her job or some other problem due to that 5th house that has spoiled their love relationship. You understand this point?
No, sir.
Hello? You
Sir,
understand this
didn't
point?
understand. Can you please explain?
1 second. Some disturbance is there. Okay. See, Rahu is in her fifth house. Okay. Rahu
Okay.
in fifth house, definitely that will give love relationship. At the same time, transit Saturn. Now, the transit Saturn is in Makaram itself on her natal Rahu.
Ah, okay.
That is spoiled.
Sir, another thing, this ascendant is also in close degrees with Rahu, so there should be something.
Yes, yes, definitely.
Yeah.
Sun is also very close.
Yes.
Sun is also very close.
So
Her
this-
imagination will be extreme. Fatherly affection will be extreme.
So
She
Rahu
never
will
sleeps.
amplify this.
She never sleeps without dream. This also we have discussed. When Sun connected with Lagna, here Sun connects with Lagna by way of degree. Okay, the two here, Sun and Ketu. So her fatherly affection will be more, and her daily without dreams she will not sleep. Mostly it may be related to Shiva also, Lord Shiva. This also you can ask. The love relationship, it was spoiled because of transit Saturn on natal Rahu. That is one strong reason. The present period, if you say, the present period is to some extent it is favorable. After this transit Saturn crosses this Mahara, to some extent she can expect. And till this 2022 October, Jupiter Dasa Rahu Bhukti only, she can very well get married that boy. And another thing, that the age difference is really 8 years. I have not seen the chart. You have mentioned that the boy's chart, you have the details you have mentioned. I have not seen the chart. I just saw the age. The age is nearly 8 years. 8 years gap. Definitely she will have more attraction towards the boy. She can very well marry the boy. And only one condition, the boy should be like her father.
Hmm.
If
Okay.
that is okay, if she says that he remains me my father, she can very well marry. Okay, because that is the one thing she is very much craving for. She can.
And if he doesn't remind her of the father, she should not marry.
Yes, mostly. That will not match. Even the earlier relationship also would have got spoiled because of that. Because her expectation is more. And definitely this boy, if you ask her, she will say, yes, he remains me my father.
Okay.
That is the reason I keep on saying about her father. Understand?
Yes, sir. Yes.
Yes.
Madam, what is she doing? Is she working and what is her job?
Yeah, she's honestly, I don't know. I'll ask her.
Okay.
Okay. What are the other things you need to know? Her marital life will be really good.
Sir,
Okay.
why is sir here in this case?
See, the seventh lord is in 11th house. It is an exaltation. Normally, it is stated as Punarvivaha.
Okay.
So,
Sir, another thought, sir.
and
because
one thing,
Saturn is aspecting
Saturn is aspecting
Venus.
Okay.
So I thought because Venus is the Karaka for marriage, and there some sort of what do you call? These are all planets which are causing separation, and some a kind of a dull period can be there.
Okay. Saturn is aspecting Venus, right?
Samasaptama, huh?
Okay.
And
Here the
Jupiter
point
is
is different.
with the planet of separation, Sun.
See, when Saturn and Saturn Venus connection is there, you can very well say whatever the relationship she has lost earlier, she will get it back. That is Saturn and Venus. That I have not mentioned here. Okay.
Sir, I just asked her just now about whether this boy reminds her of her father.
Hmm.
So she's saying, I don't remember my father much now.
Okay, okay. But about her, what about her craving for father? She is craving for that fatherly affection.
I'll just ask her.
Okay.
And here, okay. Sir, this Jupiter is together with the two malefic planets, no, sir, Sun and Ketu.
Hmm.
So
Hmm.
can that create any issues in the marital life, sir?
No, no need to worry about it.
Okay.
Sir, but health-wise, it will create problem, right? Because
Yeah,
we,
definitely. Sure. Yeah, you tell what is the problem.
sir, if it has got Mars aspect also, so cancer possibility and project and before babe having a child also, she might have a problem.
See, for Sun and Jupiter, we have discussed elaborately many times.
Yes.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
What?
Sir, that if Mars join, then it can lead to cancer. But if
Panchakarmic diseases, right?
Yes, yes.
and but sir, since it is an 11th house,
Hmm.
does it matter if it is in a 6th house, 8th house, or 11th house? Like, will the effect come down or something like that, house wise?
See,
Because
House, what is that?
sir, because 11th house is a good house. It's a house.
Madam, it has connection with the 8th Lord too. By aspect, Mars is aspecting 4th aspect on Jupiter Sun as well.
Okay. Because I thought the
Sir.
combination is in 11th house, so I was wondering if this will have the full effect of Sun, Jupiter, and Ketu.
Sun, Ketu, Jupiter plus Mars.
Mars.
Yeah,
Yes, sir.
karmic disease.
Yes.
So what is the remedy for that, sir?
She can contribute something to the temple. She can participate in temple activities. Temple activities, she can participate.
Okay.
Sir, this family deity worshipping or doing something for the family
That
deity.
has to be done. Family deity worship should be there, always.
Okay.
That has to be there.
Sir, she says about her father that I asked her if you crave for fatherly affection. She says not really. And I asked her, are you very attached to your father? She said, yes, whatever I remember and I know of him.
If she doesn't have that much craving, no problem. But mostly, wherever I ask this question, immediately after asking this question, they shed tears. When they remember their father, whenever we remind them, immediately they shed tears. Here, two reasons are there. Ketu is heading towards Sun in same degree. One, Sun and Saturn. That also, it is different from male and female. This also we have discussed.
Yes,
In
sir.
male chart, some difference of opinion will be there. In female chart, it will be exactly opposite. They will be having extreme craving on father. Here, both things are there. So, okay.
And maybe because he would have passed away very long back, she doesn't have.
Yeah, at the age of 7 itself, she lost. Even I have seen people who lost their father at the age of 5 itself. Even now they remember.
And
she's living in a joint family with her father's brother, and also he is like her father figure.
That could be.
Maybe that is the reason.
Maybe
I don't
father
know.
or fatherly figures, no, sir?
Yes, definitely. That is the reason I said the boy also she will be expecting in a fatherly status.
Okay.
So
See,
then
some
now she should
people-
marry this boy or not, sir? Is
She can
this
very
match
well.
okay?
See, match I didn't see, madam. The age difference is nearly 8 years. She can very well go ahead.
Okay.
Sir, age difference, how, sir?
She is 90 born, The boy is around the 82 born.
Okay, but in the horoscope, how do we? I mean, did you get any clues, sir?
Yeah, this is the reason. I said the fatherly affection.
Okay. Okay.
Three reasons. See, 2-3 reasons we can say.
Huh.
One, Rahu and Moon. When
Huh.
Rahu and Moon get connected, the age difference will be more. Either the boy will be 7-8 years elder to the girl, or at least 1 month younger to the girl.
Sir,
and
Rahu
Rahu.
Moon connection is not there, man. This.
Here, Moon is in the exact center point of Rahu Ketu.
Oh, okay, okay.
Exact center point. And Moon is in Rahu Nakshatra. And
What is
Rahu
Moon
is in Moon
point, sir?
Nakshatra. Rahu is in Moon Nakshatra.
Mhm. So what is
Okay.
in the exact
Rahu,
center
Moon-
point, sir? Moon is the exact center
Moon.
point?
Moon is
Huh.
in the exact center point of Rahu Ketu.
Okay.
Okay. That means, and this also you asked, madam, earlier she was in a relationship. That boy, he was at least 1 month younger to her. This also you please ask. Right now you ask and give the feedback. At least 1
Okay.
month was he younger.
Okay.
Either, see, when Rahu Moon connection, it will not be like the boy is just 1 or 2 years elder to the girl. That will not be there. At least 1 or 2 months. Even I have got a short 13 years gap. That and all that 14 years gap. That and all that. But and in fact, their love will be extreme. Here, at least you can say safely 1 month gap, or 7-8 years, 9 years elder to the girl, not just 1 or 2 years elder.
Okay.
Okay.
Here, Rahu is also in Moon Nakshatra, and Moon is in Rahu Nakshatra. That's also another point.
So it's as good as Rahu plus Moon, right?
Yes, definitely.
Okay.
Moon is in the exact center point of Rahu. And another thing, Moon plus Mars, both are in the exact center point of Rahu. Rahu Ketu.
Sir, whether this boy or any other boy, when will she get married? Like
Right
possibility
now,
of-
madam, she can very well move till October. Chances are more. She can.
till October this year, no?
Yeah, this year. That too, after May, she can very well take all the effort to get married. That is possible. From May to October, possibilities are more. You can very well tell her.
Because her younger sister has got engaged. So now her mother wants that both of them should get married at the same time, same day.
But normally, I don't recommend, madam. The marriage, if it is 1 by 1, that will be good.
Yeah.
At least with a 1 month gap or 2 months
Yeah,
gap,
yeah,
they
yeah.
can go.
In the
Acha.
same mandapa,
This is
same during the same day, in the same muhurta, if more than one marriage, usually we have not seen it successful. At least one.
One will, yeah, one will be good. Equally, the next one will be affected.
Yeah.
Oh,
Sir, I did an analysis
How much
on
it
this
is,
also,
how
sir.
much it is good, that much next one will be affected.
Yeah, yeah.
acha.
So one story behind that, what I read is, sir, this Sri Rama and his brother's marriage, 4 marriage happened on the same day, and everything was in turmoil and issues.
Yes.
Yeah.
And in fact, Sri Rama had some problem, but Lakshmana also, he was in turmoil. He didn't have any such problem, but still, because of Sri Rama, he also underwent many problems.
Many problems, yeah. And staying away or lack of issues or some childbirth issues, some problems would be there.
Definitely.
Yeah, yeah. Sir, here ascendant 12 degree, Rahu 13 degrees, then Sun 12 degrees. So ascendant is closely connected with the Rahu, Sun. Then yes, sir. So what is the inference here, sir?
Yeah, that's what I said. See, this is what I predicted. Sun plus Ketu. They both are connected with ascendant degree wise. So I thought fatherly affection will be, craving will be both.
Okay.
Yeah, that's what I
Uh,
said.
Sir, she has replied, she has said that earlier relationship boy was 1 year older to her.
Oh, okay. That is also one reason for breaking the love.
Yes,
Correct.
That is also one reason.
Yeah, that's what I thought.
because she is not destined to have such a spouse with age difference.
Yes.
Yeah. See, here they do not know the age difference and other things and all. They will be in relationship for some reason that will be broken.
Mhm.
Okay. Breakup reason may be anything. Here, astrologically, when we see Rahu plus Moon, this combination doesn't allow with just 1 or 2 years age difference.
Mhm. Sir, here
For this, one more thing should be there.
Hmm.
Mars plus Mercury. That should also be there. If that is the case, to some extent, it will happen. Maximum 3 or 4 years. That too not 1 year. Because Mars plus Mercury, that gives the love from school itself,
Cool itself. Oh, yeah.
from education period itself.
But in this case, it is not there, no, sir.
Pardon?
In this chart, it is Mars Mercury combination is not there, no.
No, it is not there. No way connected.
No way connected. Sir, another point, sir, this Saturn is the highest degree planet. Does that mean that she's a bit old fashioned? Can we treat it in that way?
Yeah.
Traditional, old fashioned.
And it is in retro also. It is aspecting the Lagna.
Yes.
She will be very adamant. She will be lethargic.
Yes, lethargic.
Yeah, very lethargic, very adamant, very strong.
Yes.
Some point, and it is in retro. So she'll have a lot of strong principles. It should be like this, it should be like that and all. Even job ways also, she'll be having a lot of principles. I prefer to do job only in this way. Otherwise, I don't want. Okay. And another thing, the Saturn is in the highest degree. This also we have already discussed. If Saturn is in highest degree, they don't get satisfaction in the job. Whatever job they do, they don't get the satisfaction. They join within 3-4 months, they get the saturation. They start they develop some aversion towards the job. They leave the job, immediately they get another job. If Saturn is in lowest degree, 1 or 2 degree, they toil in the company itself. They don't come to home at all.
Yeah, they'll
be working. They'll be working with more interest. At the same time, the benefits will be very, very less when Saturn is in lowest degree. Here, Saturn is in very highest degree. Her job interest will be the craving will be that much.
Yeah. Yes, sir. Sir, another point, sir, I wanted to check with you. Sir, 5th house Rahu, can we say Sarpadosha is there, and also the 5th Karaka, Jupiter is in combustion and it is in the lowest degree. So some issues related to childbirth. So a proper matching horoscope will have
even Moon and Mars itself indicates uterus related problems.
Yes.
Okay. At the same time, very strongly you can say childbirth problem will not be there because 5th house Rahu.
Sir, 5th house Rahu.
No. That gives only delay. Definitely that will ensure childbirth.
5th house Rahu. Okay. But after some treatment
very confidently you can say 5th house Rahu will not affect the childbirth.
Okay.
And here also it is Magara Rahu, Yoga Rahu only.
Yoga Rahu. Okay. Sir, a few cases.
The present problem is only one thing. Transit Saturn is on Rahu. That has spoiled the relationship. They would have given a very negative effect in their job also. Okay. Anything related to 5th house would have been affected.
Okay.
Sir, one point I wanted to check, sir. It is fifth lord is together with the 12th lord. Sorry, fifth Karaka Jupiter is with the 12th lord and also with the separation planet Ketu. So won't that have any effect on this child issues, sir?
No need to say that much.
That
See,
much is-
even if Jupiter is in Kadakam, even if it is combined with Sun and Ketu, it is an exaltation.
Okay.
It is aspecting the fifth house.
Okay. Okay.
And the fifth house Rahu is there.
Okay.
Okay, this will not affect the childbirth. But the uterus related problem will definitely be there. The reason is Rahu and Moon. Second thing, Mars and Moon.
Okay.
So
Okay.
what is the remedy for this, sir?
For this food habits, madam. One, food
Okay.
control should be there. One. Second thing, periodically she has to go for medical checkup.
Okay.
Okay. If any cyst problem, PCOD problem, she has to take treatment for that. That will definitely help.
Okay.
Hmm.
No parihara, no?
This and all, say Parigara, Moon plus Rahu, you can say Parigara.
Yeah.
Any
Female.
snake shelter related Amman temple.
Sorry, which one?
But Parigara is enough. Parigara is enough, madam. You ask her to feed cows and Annadana, that itself is enough.
Acha.
And Shiva worship.
Yeah.
11th house, Sun plus Ketu is there. Jupiter is also there. Shiva worship will definitely help.
For Moon plus Rahu, you said
And
something.
no need
sir.
to worry about the Moon plus Rahu.
You said some temple. What is that, sir? I didn't get it.
Snake shelter.
Snake
Snake
shelter.
shelter attached Amman temple.
Snake shelter.
Yes.
What is snake shelter, sir?
Okay.
Snake, Naga god.
Acha, temple.
Any
Huh?
Naga god.
Okay.
Sir, one
Right, Naga Tamman or any other Naga related
Yeah.
god.
Sir, one point I wanted to check, sir, in this. Sir, Rahu's this Samasaptama, Jupiter is there and Sun is there. Should we look into this Rahu Jupiter combination and Rahu Sun combination also? That I think we looked. But Rahu Jupiter combination, since it is in Samasaptama, it's like combination only, right?
Yeah, all the three you can take.
Together, is it, sir?
Yeah.
So as per the previous our discussion, sir, one was this irregular shape you mentioned, and then you also mentioned about Rahu, this Chandala yoga.
Okay.
Sir.
Very good, Harish. You remember everything.
Thank you, sir.
Here it is not male chart.
Okay. Yeah. Thank you, sir.
Okay. Here it is not male chart.
Okay.
That is only in male chart.
Only in male chart. Okay, fine.
Sir, so how will
Any
her
other
future
question?
be is one another question. How is her future going to be?
Definitely. Yeah, definitely. That will be really good, madam, because next Saturn Dasa comes. Okay. After this Jupiter,
Okay.
next Saturn Dasa comes. Saturn is in Dhanush 1. The Saturn's disposer is in exaltation. Jupiter is
Okay.
in exaltation.
Mm.
Our life will be really good.
But then so many diseases
Our
are
marital life
indicated
will be
already.
Pardon? And another thing, Saturn is the yoga lord for Kanya Lagna.
Okay.
So really that will be good.
But so
So
many
Saturn is the-
diseases are indicated, sir. So that is the concern now.
So many.
I'm saying so many diseases are indicated. because of
Okay.
Sun, Jupiter, and Rahu, Moon, and Mars, Moon.
Yeah.
Hmm.
Madam,
Yeah,
do you whether she
few-
has
few-
any ailment now?
1 minute. Can sir answer my question, please?
Yes. Rahu Moon, you just ask her about the skin related problem. Okay.
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 That period, definitely she would have had severe skin related problem.
No, my question, sir, is since there are so many planets indicating illness,
Hmm.
is it going to be in the future or is it over?
See, I keep repeating one point very strongly. In any chart, all the 9 planets do cause many problems, many disease. They give many disease. You should not say all the disease, all the period.
Correct.
Okay. During Dasa Bhukti, that planet, that disease. The
Yes.
present period is Rahu, Jupiter Dasa, Rahu Bhukti.
Yes.
Okay. Basically, that has given a lot of good effects.
Okay.
I have not seen any negatives. Here, transit Saturn on Rahu has given the problem. One. Second thing, you can also ask about this. Should I had any bone fracture or anything? That you check it. Because
Okay.
Saturn has crossed the Rahu. This also you ask her either this problem or, and another thing, the transit Saturn is also aspecting the moon, 10th aspect. Moon is in the 2nd house, Kudumbasthana, family house. Transit Saturn is transit Saturn's 10th aspect to the 2nd house. That has caused all the problems. I see the problem only in transit, not in Dasa Bhukti.
Okay, sir. Thank you. So she
Okay.
about the job I asked her. So she said she has changed her job twice up till now, and one job she had for 3 years. The current job since 4 years she's having continuing, and I think
Mostly they will be rolling stone.
Sorry.
Hello?
Mostly
Mostly they will be rolling stone. They keep on changing the job.
Okay.
You can very well ask her to stick to one job. As
She
per
said
the
that she's
chart,
not
she is vulnerable
satisfied.
for that. Yes.
Job satisfaction is not there, she said. Yes.
Whatever, that's what I said. Whatever job you give, they will not be satisfied.
I think Harish sir was
Even if you
asking
give
about
any job is
profession.
equal to.
Yeah.
Yes.
Sorry, sir, please continue.
Profession, say, profession, Saturn has to cross Mahara.
Okay.
Then her job will be really good.
She is a financial associate, Harish sir.
Okay. Yeah. Thanks. Yeah.
Yeah.
Financial?
She's a financial associate, she said.
Okay.
Okay.
Mm.
So Mercury's connection, sir?
Mercury is in 5 degree.
5 degree.
Mars in 8 degree, Mercury is in 5 degree.
Okay. Madam, any health related issues which you know already, or any other information that you have with her?
No, I don't know that.
You don't know that point? Okay.
I have asked her on chat about the skin related or bone related, which sir has mentioned. I have asked her now. You want to ask anything?
No, any non issues we can relate here, if anything you know.
I tell one thing, madam. Mars and Venus are in same degree. Okay. No need to worry about the marital life. She will be really good in that. Very good understanding. Everything will be there. She will very much adjust with the boy. Only one thing. she has to reduce her expectation because seventh lord is in lowest degree, and even Moon and Mars also, we have discussed many times that their craving for affection will be there, that much they will not be getting. So whatever she gets, she has to be satisfied.
Mm-hmm.
Otherwise, possibilities for, and we should not say this, but anyhow, you see that slide, you will understand. We have discussed it.
Yeah, okay.
Because of their adamancy, because of their ego, because of their adamancy, possibilities for getting separated or living a separated life. For some reason, either job reason or any other reason, if she is totally surrendered to the husband, her life will be really good. That also I have seen in many charts. They lead very peaceful life because total surrender. Here, whatever be the husband's weakness, they will exaggerate. Once when start ignoring those things, no negatives.
Okay.
Because any human being will have some negative. She has to understand that, and accordingly she has to live.
Okay.
Okay, any other thing? You can very well ask her from this May onwards, May to October, possibilities for her marriage is more. She can very well expect.
Yes, sir. Yeah.
And you can give the feedback here itself after May, once she gets married.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, that will happen.
Thank you, sir.
Okay.
Okay, sir.
Actually, she must have got married earlier itself.
Okay.
Okay. Before Saturn entered Makara, she must have got married. Then the problem would not have been this much.
Problem?
Because they would not have separated. But even then, when I said the Moon plus Rahu, age difference should be there. Since the boy was hardly 1 year elder, it didn't happen. It didn't materialize.
Okay.
Yeah. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Thank you all.
Any question? Good evening, Anandavalli madam. Very different. Any question? After a long time, I'm saying.
Hi, ma'am.
Unmute, please. Unmute, ma'am, please.
Hello.
I saw the notification only now.
Okay, madam. Nima madam. Hello.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Yeah, you send this recording to her, and you also get the feedback,
Yes.
and you can very well post it in the group.
I'll do that, sir. Yes.
Yeah. Okay.
Thank you, sir.
Okay.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you.
Thank you. Thank
Thank
you.
you. Thank you
Thank
all.
you. And one particular thing. See, we analyze, we see the planetary combination. You are attending the class. Now, I very much expect you to post your findings, predictions. Whenever there is a chart in the group, you please participate.
Okay,
That
sir.
way you can very well, that way you can very well see whether you are on the right track.
Sure.
Yes, sir. Yes.
Okay, sir. Yeah.
Okay.
Thank you so much, sir. Thank you all.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you, sir.
Good night. Good
Good
night.
night.
Okay.
Sir, good night.
Good night.